This has to be my favorite pickups video, just because I haven't been more excited to acquire a collective group of items than these. Also being the most versatile collection of items from headwear to footwear to accessories and everything in between, and having items that can fluctuate between different styles. This is a video that I've been looking forward to. I'm NoahEW and welcome back to another video. An absolutely amazing piece of a jacket is the ZZ Space Jacket from Davrill Supply. The eye catcher of this piece is obviously this crazy color gradient of purple to white. Although that detail is what makes this piece, the whole garment is made with distinctive features, setting it apart from any other piece in my collection. From the shape of the pockets, the paneling, the color blocking on the sleeves, the zipper details, the silk interior, this is simply an amazing piece. This is one of the pieces where I believe that my style is beginning to fluctuate, where I'm in between styles, enjoying multiple styles. So this is one of my favorite vintage pieces, hands down. The Chemise brand brown London all over pattern shirt from the 80s, acquired from one of my favorite brands, No Maintenance, and also on sale as well. Definitely an excellent find. I'm enjoying kind of the underlay of this purplish and burgundy color with the orange and blue line pattern, and even disrupting the continuity of the straight line patterns with the semicircle like pattern. Not to mention the pictures of London scattered throughout the piece. It's crazy how clear these pictures are, especially due to the fact that it's a piece from the 80s. When it comes to this pair of denim, it doesn't necessarily scream Noah's style, and with purchasing these jeans, it allowed me to explore something a little different, especially when exploring and experimenting is very important when it comes to your style and finding new and different things that you like. And I will say, getting these in hand has made me way more excited to put these on and put a fit together with this. So I've been on a hunt for a good pair of Selvedge denim for a while now. Finally able to get my hands on a pair from Taylor Stitch called the Democratic Jean in black 3-month wash salvage. So while the previous piece was on more of the wild side of things, I do also love a great minimalistic high quality item of clothing, and this pair of denim definitely delivers that in all shapes and forms. Also, with the baggy pants and flare pants being very popular, and also myself enjoying that style, I also do love a straight legged pant, a timeless, a classic style of pant that I have in my collection. You can never go wrong with a pant like that. A vintage shirt has to be my favorite style of t-shirts. With it being a while since I've been able to find a good one that I genuinely enjoy, it was worth the wait to get my hands on this vintage tee. I really enjoy a white vintage tee, specifically with a front graphic, just because it allows you to wear it with pretty much anything while giving you a pop of color to give your outfit some flavor. And as you can see, this is a perfect representation of that. Picked up from one of my new favorite vintage stores, twofold, called the Wellness Art Tee from the 90s. So one day I'm shopping in the mall. I decided to go in Zara just to look around. So as I'm looking around, I came across this knitted. It seemed to be the last one in the store and also the last one in my size. This all over graphic knitted jacket has to be the biggest steal of the year. The graphic is very modest, but it still gets the job done, allowing you to see what the graphic is. Along with the color composition with the blues, the blacks, and the whites, again, this has to be the steal of the year. Headwear is another one of those clothing items that I've been really enjoying. Can really add to or change an outfit, especially with the color choice of the hat. So I found these two hats, the Canyon Metals Ranch Wax Canvas hat from Circle Author, and the classic logo 5-panel cap from Awake, New York. Remember when I was talking about the color choice of the hats? Yeah, these hats definitely provide that. The color selection both of these brands went with is spot on. But not only the color choice of the hat, I also want you to take a look at the shape of the hat. I really wanted to go for something different and really step away from trucker hat or a baseball hat, just because that's something I'm used to. Both of these beanies actually being gifted to me for Christmas from a brand called We Are Superlative Conspiracy, based in Sweden. A new brand to me, but a greatly appreciated gift. This brand also being a sustainable brand as well, and also a skateboard based brand. So like I said, a new brand to me, but a brand that I'm going to be checking out some more in the future. So I was able to get this travel bag from a sustainable brand called Everland. This bag will for sure get the job done from traveling, offering a lot of different pockets inside and on the outside, and being very high quality. So I feel like this will be a bag that will last me a very long time. And also, not to mention this crazy color of warm charcoal that this brand offered. Just feel like a nice bag would be nice to have. Kind of giving me the same feeling that clothes give me, the same type of joy, the same same type of love. As you can see, I decided to go ahead and pick up a tote bag. It's nothing too much to say about this bag, just a typical tote bag from Circle Author. You have this all over creamish color canvas with this brown branding on the bag. So just a simple bag, but very stylish and nice bag in my opinion. A very nice tote to pick up, and it was for a very nice price as well. Once again, I won't be using this bag just to like style it off or add to an outfit, but I will be using it for traveling purposes. When I do travel or do need to carry something, I will be a little bit stylish. So before we get into the jewelry, I do want to say this is the first time I'm picking up some kind of jewelry, so it won't be too high quality, and the jewelry that I got, the prices aren't that high, but I feel like these are great starter pieces to put in my collection or start my jewelry collection and accessories collection. So the first two pieces I got is a matching set from K. Nothing crazy about these pieces, but they get the job done for what I'm looking for. I do love a nice set of chrome or silver jewelry that's very versatile and easy to style. I actually got the bracelet first, and I wanted to get the matching necklace as well. So like I said, a nice matching set to go for the first couple pieces of my jewelry collection. So for the glasses, this is a nice pair of glasses that I found, believe it or not, I found on Amazon from a brand on Amazon called Be Cool. So I wanted to just look at the package, and you have this nice Be Cool branded box with the pattern all over the box, and it's brownish, black, and orange branding. And then you have the separate case for the glasses as well, and it's black and gray and red branding on the case. Very nice design on the case and the box it comes in. But looking at the glasses, this is a very nice pair of glasses, and it's black and silver color blocking. But not even just the colors I want to focus on. The shape of these glasses is an excellent design, a very almost like futuristic design. So this piece right here I got from Culture Kings called the Peace Beaded Bracelet. Combination of the silver chain like pattern with the beads. It's definitely a style that caught my eye just because it's a little different. But even though it's a little bit different, something you don't typically see, it's still a versatile and nice piece. The white pearls, the chrome chain pattern, the hits of green, blue, and yellow, and the Peace logo, I'm loving it. So I have pair 1 and pair 2, both picked up from Nordstrom at my local mall, and you won't believe the price that I got for these. Both of these combined was about $30 to $40, no more than that. Style that includes like some chinos, some slacks, some button downs. I feel like these two pairs definitely contribute to the style that I'm going for. I do love the style of the all over black shoes, and I love the Vibram like outsoles on both of them, kind of like a boot outsole with the combination of the casual style of shoes. Combination is great, all over black and with the buckle on the front. The red with the gum bottom, definitely a bold choice to go with. I feel like I can figure out the way to pull it off one way or another. So